Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Lamborghini Essenza by Tomica Premium Line. All details, front, side and top. No side mirrors. Inside the box you get the separate rear wing, and you need to attach it. Now let's see it with rear wing attached. Now, let's take a closer look. The wheels has no suspension. The main body is metal. The rear wing is plastic, soft plastic. There is a manual to attach rear wing. It is a simple one. Just plug the parts to the slot, and done. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.